So I'm wearing this little white frilly dress with this it's a blue ribbon I found. It's literally a blue ribbon. Nothing special. But yeah, we're going up to the farm with some family. And it'll be fun. Yeah, some people I haven't seen in a really, really long time. And here's Darcy. There she is. Sweet baby.
Or something that's like crazy impossible to get. And like a picture out of all these.
So huge shout out to my dad for being an amazing photographer and dual wielding my camera and my mom's camera. He was like, let me use both. And so I thought this was a cute moment and I wanted to include it.
No shoes. 1, 2, 3.
I'm trying to get...
Swim, go do something with me.
Lemonade.
Hi guys. So I'm up at the farm. I'm sure you've seen by the videos. But yeah, it's Easter Sunday, so we're here with a bunch of family that I don't know. But that's okay. We're having a good time. I'm sitting over here by the lake. I don't even know if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can. Kinda bored. It's a little awkward. But just because I don't really know these people. Even though they're like, oh yeah, I knew you when you were like 2. I'm like, I don't know you. It'll be good, and I'm excited for the food because the food looks really good. And yeah.
Here's Ridge on his ripstick, zooming around, as he should. Here's the little bathroom with mirrors literally on every wall, and it was too cute not to include.
I think you got them upside down.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bonnie. Happy birthday to you.
Light the other one.
We could not get the other candle to light, but we made the most of it.
Come here with me.
So shortly after the cake, me and a few of my cousins and my siblings went on a little ride around the land. It was very pretty, but also very terrifying because my younger cousin was driving. A little chaotic, but it was fun. It was an adventure. Also, I'm gonna apologize for my shaky camera skills. It was very bumpy, and I could not keep my hand still.
Brake, yep. You can't use this.
Here is Harper trying to show Ridge how to drive this thing. I mean, he did fine.
Oh my god. Harper. You got it. I just have to go left. Not in the left. That works.
I don't know why I filmed this. I was just having fun in the field and the lake, and it was too pretty. Again, not to include. So here I am, running around in a little white dress. This was about all the footage I got from the farm. A lot of it got corrupted, and I'm not sure why, but it is what it is. So yeah, that's my Easter Sunday trip at the farm.